What's going on, fans? It's Trainboy55, and today I got a package from eBay, which is that I order another Wind Railway item. So, let's get it open. This is a very small box. Hold on, let me get a scissors. Here's the 1994 Round Roof Duck. He looks very good condition. I finally got him. He has flat magnets, no name on the bottom, round roof, that was just curve up, and a little scratch right here. But don't worry, I'll get another paint and repaint it as carefully later. This 1994 Round Roof Duck is in excellent and good condition. Now I have two versions. One is the Learning Curve Duck with a flat roof, and this one is the Round Roof Duck. I have both old style versions. So, that's all I gotta say about this item. And coming soon for my Thomas Wind Railway reviews, and thank you for watching.